Hey guys, today I'm going to show you this glitch on Subway Surfers, how to get 740 keys. So first we're going to load into Subway Surfers, obviously. Yep, just have to wait a bit. Alright, and yeah, okay, after that, you're going to want to go off of it. Don't take the tab off. You're going to want to go to settings, okay? You're in settings. Go down to general, date and time, turn all this off, and go back to Wednesday the 13th. Yeah, the 13th of November 2019, so I'm just going to find that. Should be here, around here. Unless we've gone a bit too far. Yeah, we've gone a bit too far. Alright. Alright, November. Okay, you should be on this date. Okay, after that, go back into Subway Surfers. Let the game reload and see how it says 741 keys. You're gonna have to get about 10 event tokens. You should see Prince K and like this hoverboard thing. That's normal because you have to unlock them for the glitch to work. So yeah, I'm just gonna get 10 keys. As you can see, there's already one. Yeah, so how the glitch works is you can't get like duplicates of the same skin, so you it just gives you like either coins or keys. The music turned up like. Yeah, it should do like that music glitch if you have the music turned off. See? Yeah, it's annoying. We're barely getting it. Oh, that was bad. Here anyway, you should get about after that. So say you just got unlocked Prince K and the glider. You're gonna wanna go back to normal time. Reset Subway Surfers. Go back into it. Just wait a bit because yeah, it should be the normal one. And say for instance I just got Prince K and the glider. I will go back to the same date, which is November 13th. And then you need to wait for like the season thing to upgrade. And then you just need to collect 10 event tokens. They're either robots or like these little blue things. But anyway, that's how you do the coin glitch, the key glitch. As you can see, you can basically get like everything in the game. You know, you can, and if you have no use for your keys, you can just buy these token boxes. I've got everything from them, so it says purchase, but yeah, that's how you get infinite keys in Subway Surfers. You can just keep on doing this glitch until, you know, they patch it. I've done this a few times, obviously. I got 1,000 keys. But anyway, that's how you do it. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments, because I can probably help you. Anyway, that's it. So, bye guys.